Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan Frontier versus a plane. We'll explore their distinct advantages and ideal uses for various scenarios. While a truck handles tough terrain and local hauling, an aircraft provides rapid long-distance transport. Understanding these key differences helps you decide which mode of travel is truly better for your specific journey. It's all about matching the right tool to the task at hand. The Nissan Frontier is a robust and versatile vehicle, perfect for everyday tasks and adventurous excursions. It offers excellent utility for work, easily transporting materials or equipment for your projects. Plus, you can drive it almost anywhere a road or trail exists, providing freedom and accessibility that a plane simply cannot. It's a practical and reliable choice for many. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And speaking of journeys, whether you're driving a Frontier or flying high, your feet deserve the best. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When speed and distance are your primary concerns, a plane is the undisputed champion. It can transport you across continents in mere hours, a journey that would take days or even weeks by truck. For business trips, vacations abroad, or urgent deliveries, air travel is simply unmatched. It truly shrinks the world, making distant places accessible and convenient.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.